The next topic is banking services channels. Banking services channels are the routes by which the person is getting the services provided by the bank. It is divided into two: banking services channel 1 and banking services channel 2. Now, let us first know about banking services channel 1. The first one is bank branch. A bank branch is a retail location where a bank, credit union, or other financial institutions offer a wide array of face to face and automated services to the customers. Branch banking is still an integral part of the Indian banking system, as most Indians still believe in cash transactions and prefer to visit bank in person for routine banking operations. Bank branches are the face of the banks where customers can visit and talk to the officials for getting better insights into new policies, investment schemes, and other banking services, etc. Next component in banking services channel 1 is automated teller machine. Automated teller machine ATM is a computerized machine that provides the customers of banks the facility of accessing their account for dispensing cash and to carry out other financial and non-financial transactions without the need to actually visit their bank branch. The benefit of ATMs for customers are: provide 24/7 and 365 days a year service, offer quicker and efficient service, allow privacy into transactions. It is an alternative to extend banking hours. It is an alternative to opening new branches. It reduces the operating expenses of the bank. It helps a bank to avoid transportation of cash and handling employees. It can be located in any convenient locations in any form, as well as wall unit, lobby unit, or a window unit. It increases market penetration. It relieves the bank employees from routine transactions so that they can focus more on analytical and innovative work. Provide error-free services. Next is Bank Mitra. CSP stands for Customer Service Point, which is also called a Bank Mitra. Bank Mitra is a concept designed under Triple P, Public Private Partnership, where a Bank Mitra or CSP works as a representative or agent of bank and appointed to make banking services to citizens. The banking services like account opening, cash withdrawal, acceptance, and cash withdrawal, etc. Next is Bank Mitra with Micro ATM. Micro ATMs are biometric authentication and RuPay debit cards enabled handle devices. In order to make the ATMs viable for rural or semi-urban centers, how cost micro ATMs are being deployed at each of the bank associated with a particular Bank Mitra or business correspondent. Customers who have to get their identity and authenticated and withdraw or put money into their bank account. Next is point of sale. The point of sale or point of purchase is the time and place where a retail transaction is completed. At the point of sale, the merchant would calculate the amount owed by the customer and indicate the amount and may prepare an invoice for the customer and indicate the option for the customer to make payment. It is also the point at which a customer for goods or after provision of a service. Next is Banking Services Channel 2. The first one is Internet Banking. Such of systems allows setting up of various access levels for specified user groups and controlling the authentication level and transaction limits as suggested to various employees of your country. Next is NEFT. It is a nationwide system that facilitates individuals, firms, and corporates to electronically transfer funds from one bank branch to any individual, firm, or corporate having an account with any other bank branches in the country. Even such individuals, firm, or corporates who does not have a bank account can also deposit cash at the NEFT enabled branch with instructions to transfer funds using NEFT. There is no limit, either minimum or maximum, on the account of funds that could be transferred using an EFT. Next is RTGS. RTGS system is a funds transfer mechanism for transfer of money from one bank to another on a real time and gross basis. This is the fastest possible money transfer system through the banking channel.